back to my channel. If you have any here, my name is Zaina and welcome to the Savage Squad. Today it's raining so hard. So we covered the mirrors. That's a mirror. And here's the other mirror. You might think that we're over exaggerating. But like, oh my god, but if it thunders and it could hit a window, like, you know, all of that. So I'm gonna go in the closet, probably the safest thing to do. And yeah, just letting you know, probably the safest thing to do. And done. This has never happened before, so it's kind of creepy, really creepy. The mom is opening the door. Like, I can't be in my bed because if that window falls, like, oh my god, I really don't care about nothing right now because it's like, wow, just like, wow. I'm just gonna get in my closet. I'm gonna get in my closet because it's probably the best thing to do. Okay. It's cold. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you. Guys, just brought some chips, a blanket. That's all. And it's kind of like a fort, but it's just I'm scared because if that window breaks, like the closet's probably the safest. Has all of these thingies, but it's probably the safest, guys, in our house because all the except one bathroom has window, but it stinks in there. So So, yeah. I have some lace. Going down. You think I'm over exaggerating because the windows and like in the closet, but it was raining hard. Like, look at that. That was falling. I brought some. And like even sending me messages like warning, stay at home, don't go out. I'm not scared. I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna admit, cause the hurricane didn't come where we were. Thank God. But like this is like a hurricane. It could break easily a window. And if you're laying on bed, like my bed is close to my window, so like I just took all of that out in my closet, put this pillow back here, and got the chips and a blanket. I'm gonna sleep in here. So yeah, guys, remember to give it a thumbs up and like, so you could be more like aware of my life. You don't have to like care about my life. I'm just saying. I'm gonna stay here until it's thundering so bad. Like a thunder could like a lightning could like, yeah, until the rain stops, cause like, yeah. So yeah, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing more vlogs of this. I'm gonna watch some videos and just stay in here. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.